Okay, this is a slingshot. We end up installing the Excalibur 1670. Arm it, you're gonna hit lock one time. Disarm it, flashes your lights on the bike. It has starter kill, so when the alarm fires off, if you get in, turn the key, and you push that center button right here in the dash, the bike don't start. Somebody gets in and they jump in the seats or they fumble with the stuff inside, the alarm will fire off, and then we give them a proximity sensor, so if they fumble through putting their hand over the bike like in this manner, it will give them a chirp. Somebody gets in and fire it off. And we also give them the push notification when the slingshot does fire off. You'll get an alert that the slingshot went off. And then from the app, you can arm the slingshot. Disarm it. It gives you the map. For security reasons, I'm not going to show where the slingshot is at, just for his privacy. But basically it has GPS too. So anywhere in the world, say you park the slingshot somewhere in an event and you're walking around, that's the whole purpose of this whole thing, to go somewhere and park it somewhere and walk around and do, and stuff like that, and have lunch. If somebody jumps in, it will fire off the alarm, of course, and he'll get the push notification even if he's not nearby the bike, so he knows that somebody's inside the bike. I don't think they'll be able to take off with it because it prevents the bike from starting. But you never know if they can push it somewhere or whatnot. So he'll also have GPS. So it's a good upgrade. If you have one of these things, even though you keep it inside the garage, it doesn't mean anything. We had customers call us that they broke into the house, opened up the garage door, and pushed this thing out. So don't bank that if you keep it inside your garage, you're 100% safe. You can be followed to your home, and that's all it takes. But anyway, the odds of that are not too popular. What's more popular is you leaving it out somewhere, and somebody try to be cute and jump in and and take pictures or whatever they need to do. Sometimes they end up scratching whatever you have inside. If you have something painted or anything customized, you never know. But anyway, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do come out and install this at your premises. Thank you for watching this video.